I'm going to be making a mug cake using an app called Tasty that I found recently. It has a bunch of recipes that you can use, and it's super nice. So this recipe includes sugar, cocoa powder, milk, baking soda, flour, and vegetable oil. And then I'm using this mug that I have.
You will see the surprise.
Yep. Okay, so let's get started. So we're first going to add our flour, and that's 4 tablespoons. So first I'm going to add in 4 tablespoons of flour. I'm also leveling off the extra flour using a flat surface.
Are you sure that's exactly the tablespoon?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes, Mom.
这个 tablespoon 我不知道是不是很准。
Final one. Four. Okay, next we're going to add in 3 tablespoons of sugar, which is a lot of tablespoons of sugar. Okay.
你是不是可以减一点啊 ？3
Yeah.
tablespoons, maybe too much.
2 tablespoons. Okay. And next, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Need that rich flavor, Mom.
Mm-hmm.
One. And 2. Alright. I'm just gonna mix it around a little bit. It's all just dry.
Are you using hot water?
No, I'm using milk.
Oh, okay. The milk is. 你这闻了没搞清楚了对吧？
It's fine, Mom. Okay, I'm mixing it together. Okay, and then we're going to take half a teaspoon of baking powder, and I kind of made a mess, Mom. Sorry
That's
about
okay.
that. So this is 1/4 of a teaspoon. Yeah, so we're gonna need 2 of these. Okay, that's 2 tablespoons, and then 3 tablespoons of milk. Alright, so that's our milk, and then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of our vegetable oil. Now we're going to mix it all together.
你最后要放到哪去？我也不会。
In the microwave. Yeah, it's called a mug cake for a reason, Mom. Mug cakes are supposed to be easy to make and you don't have to bake them.
Oh, that's healthy. Where did you get this recipe?
Tasty. Add a little bit more milk. Substitute. No extra. Because we don't have nail extract. So I'm mixing it together. Can't really see it, but it's kind of a watery consistency. It kind of looks like a brownie batter.
Yeah. 这是你第一次做吗？
Yeah. Try a little bit. And obviously, all microwaves are different, so you should always keep an eye on it. Okay, so this is what's inside.
Let's see.
And we'll see if this works. First time using Tasty. So now we wait for a minute and 30 seconds. Let's dance. Yeah. I'm gonna go see about that.
That's good to clean up.
Wow.
Well, that's cool. 我觉得这个挺好玩的。
Yeah.
你是不是需要找个勺？待会儿需要用个勺子来试一下。没按照人家 recipe 来啊。
I did. Well, I added a little bit more sugar. So,
Okay, let's see.
stop it.
Let's 先给这个杯子一个特写，我看看这个好玩吧？这个杯子变了吧？变！哇
Oh, it looks burnt.
呀，来，我再和杯子和你来张合影，我看一下。Cool.
So here it is. And as it turns out, I didn't take my own advice, and it came out burnt. So yeah, clearly our microwave is different from theirs, but yeah, learning experience.
Yeah, that's good.